Civil Code Sections 714 and 714.1 impose specific limitations on restrictions that associations may enforce against owners regarding solar energy systems and specifically approve certain types of reasonable restrictions. These sections apply to both condominium developments and PUDs. Civil Code Section 4746 applies additional limitations on restrictions that associations can impose on solar energy systems installations on multifamily common area roofs. Associations and their owners are best served by having specific rules addressing the installation of solar energy systems, maintenance, liability issues, and required approval by the association, and also requiring recordation of an agreement so the terms of approval of the installation are binding on subsequent owners. By doing so, owners are aware of all issues and their responsibilities before applying for, approval of, or prematurely commencing an installation.